now that we're getting into the wiring situation, I went to O'Reilly's and I was able to find these terminals. They're called bullet terminals, and the reason why I went to them is because I didn't want to hack up this original terminals that the Sidemarker already brings, OEM. So what this allows to do is, with our new wiring that we want to do, it allows us to be able to connect it to our ends and be able to just plug them in, just like if they were original wires. So what I'm gonna do right now is crimp one of them to the end. That way I can connect it to the Sidemarker. Let me think this through. I got red, so I'm gonna do red for power and white for a ground, I guess. So, and if you look at these, green technically power and black is ground. So we will do yep, we will have to do this male version on our ground, so that way we can connect it to the Sidemarker. It's just like any regular terminal. Just gonna crimp it down just like normal. I like doing both sides just to be secure. There's nothing going anywhere there. And then, just like I said, you can grab this and just plug it in like nothing, and it's a full seal. And I like it because, again, you're not stripping this and cutting it up and having to do all that other stuff. It looks more original. Again, yeah, it's not OEM colors, but we're imitating it. So yep, let me do the other one on the ground, so that way we can do that one as well. For these, the ones that are female to female, the wire's going on the smallest hole. The big hole is for the other, for the harness itself. So don't get mixed up there. And again, all we're gonna do is crimp it up. Oh, did not get that one. Okay, well, good thing we got a full amount of them. Again, you can find these at any like auto parts store. They're pretty inexpensive, and it makes the install a lot better. There we go. Now it's on there. It's not going anywhere. Let's just double check and make sure. Sure enough, there it is. So those are your two connections. Again, just like if they were from factory and you didn't have to split. another thing is to not have to splice your harness on your car or your blinker goes, like I was stating last time. It's right here. Focus, there you go. Your blinker comes up here. It's right up there. I've actually found these really helpful to get, and that is these tappers. So what you do is, I'll give you an example here. Say this is the wire you want to tap into. You just set your wire there, and you do it. You put the flap over it, and then with a plier, you just squeeze this really, really hard, and then this little piece of metal, that little metal in there, will tap into and touch the wire inside of it, and then it'll give you once this is crimped in together, it'll give you a place where you can put one of these in here, and you put your wire that you want to tap into right here. So the new wire that you want to tap into the original wire. So it's pretty cool. I like these better than cutting and splicing and stuff. So just takes a little bit more time to do a little, you know, other equipment, but I don't like cutting wires. I hate having wires with problems with wiring and everything like that, so I try to avoid cutting anything up. So we're gonna try to do this as clean as possible, and hopefully you guys can follow along and do it yourselves, so that nobody has any issues with them not working or having issues later on and things burning off, fuses and stuff like that. So let's keep going on with the install. So now what we're going to be doing is, now that we have officially put all these, we're going to make sure that they're in. You know, there you go. And now we're going to feed them in through our little hole. And once you feed them, go ahead and pull them. Feeding the power one now. All you gotta do is pull it, and you install your marker. Once the marker's installed, you have this wire in here, you know. And what we're gonna be doing is, we're gonna zip tie it to this latch wire that goes all the way to the hood. So we're gonna zip tie it along it, so again, keeping it clean and no issues with wiring. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Please ignore my red zip ties, but this is what I had a lot of, and nobody's gonna be looking at this anyway, so I'm not gonna tighten it yet because I want to make sure I'm doing everything right. So we're just gonna, you know, keep moving on the wire. Don't want to get all the way to the end and not have any wire left over. So first we will just get all the zip ties where we want them, and then we'll tighten everything up. let me double check and make sure which one is the blinker, so that way we're doing the right one. Just want to double check and show you guys. There's a small bulb and a big bulb. I'm sure this one's the blinker, but just want to double check. So yeah, this is the one that you're going to be tapping into, which is the blinker. And let me give you some more information on this one. Okay. This blinker over here has 3 wires. A red one, which I've tapped into for my fog lights, and that's the reason why you see this red one right here. At that time I didn't have what I have now. A black one right here in the middle, and then a green wire. And the reason why I'm going over this is because there is 3 ways you can wire this in, this Sidemarker. But the route I'm gonna be doing, and this is the one I feel like is the best one, is I want the blinker to be on when this is on, like, because this is running daylight, and once you hit the blinker, that's when it starts blinking. And that's the same thing I want my blinker to be, my Sidemarker to be on. I want it to be on at all times when I have it on, my daytime running lights. But then it's gonna be alternating with this one. When I hit the blinker, it's also gonna be signaling that I'm gonna that I put my blinker on for that side. So, and that for that route, it's Sidemarker red to this red, and ground wire from Sidemarker to green wire. So the ground I'm never gonna touch. So I'm only gonna be using these 2 wires here. And I know it's far and stuff like that, but again, you'll see that there's 3 colors. So I'm gonna do red to red, black to green. In my case, white to green, because that's my ground, and this is my power. So let me go ahead and put these buds in. Let me crimp this real quick, so that way I can we're going to be tapping into red, so I'm going to close it around the wire, make sure it's sitting in the middle of the metal piece inside. And all I'm going to do is hold it and squeeze it. Should be like a clicking sound once you get it. Okay. Yep, those are tapped in. So they're going to put this back in. Red to red. And then ground to green. Okay, I'll give you a closer look of how it looks. Yep, so that's tapped in. Now let's give it a try. Let's see how it looks. Again, that should light up now, and it should blink as well. So go ahead and give it a try. Oh, nice. That turned on very brightly. I don't know if you guys can see it. Sure enough, it turned on. Now let's see if it's gonna blink as well. Oh yeah, that's beautiful. See it blinking? You see how in a way it's alternating? So blinker and side marker is alternating. And yep, it's working. So that's how you practically install these. If you guys have more questions, I can answer them. Leave a comment and I can help you guys out. But super soaked, it's working. Sidemarker's good to go. Now I just need to install the other one, but I'm gonna take care of that one later. This video is already way too long. Again, don't forget to subscribe for future cool videos that are coming out. Leave a comment. Let me know if it helped you. Just tell me, hey, this video helped me out, or thanks for the video, or something. Again, I need that support from you guys to keep making these cool videos. But yeah, hopefully that helped out anybody that needs blinker, side marker. But yeah, make sure you like, subscribe, and all that good stuff. Till the next video. Peace out, guys.